it's Miss Nicole from the South Fayette and Bridgeville Libraries. I'm here today to give you another author and activity to do, plus it goes along with our August kit. This is our Teddy Bear Tea Party Picnic Kit. And we thought we'd wind down the summer with it. Now, you don't need a teddy bear. I have my fun penguin. Your kit will come in a colorful bag, and it'll have a party hat. It will have a little teacup that you can put whatever you want in, water or juice, or if you like iced tea. It'll come with some Teddy Grahams for you to munch on, and a bunch of activities I'll tell you about in a little bit. So I gave you a book list inside your kit about all kinds of tea party books or teddy bear books. So I found one online that I'm going to show you how to get on and listen to. It's called T-Rex by Molly Idle. And it has a dinosaur in it and a little girl and a boy and his little teddy bear. So let me show you how to get on. You'll watch that story, and when you come back, I'll show you what else is in the kit. I'll see you in a minute. Well, here we are at my computer, and I typed in T as in tea you drink, T-E-A, Rex. Read aloud, and I came up with the one that I wanted from Miss Rosie's story time. And there you can see the big T-Rex, and the little girl has her hat on, and her little brother, and his little teddy bear. So as you listen to this story, why don't you munch on your Teddy Grahams and sip from your teacup and enjoy this great story about what happens at a tea party, especially when there's a T-Rex involved. Well, I hope you enjoyed that tea party story and you saw that little teddy bear in there. Inside your kit, you're going to get some activities that you can do. One is making a teddy bear puppet. All of the directions are stapled onto the bag because you're going to make it out of a paper bag, and all the pieces that you need are inside. So you'll just need a glue stick for this. Of course, you want to make sure that you put it on the flap. The big head, the two eyes, the snout with his nose, and you get to draw his mouth and his two ears. And you could use it to help you say one of the little songs that I put in your bag. It's called My Teddy Bear, and it's to the tune of Johnny Works with One Hammer, and it goes like this. My teddy bear has two eyes, two eyes, two eyes. My teddy bear has two eyes. I love my teddy bear. My teddy bear has one nose, one nose, one nose. My teddy bear has one nose. I love my teddy bear. My teddy bear has two ears, two ears, two ears. My teddy bear has two ears. I love my teddy bear. I love my teddy bear. I love my teddy bear. My teddy bear is awesome. I love my teddy bear. You could make a whole bunch of puppets out of paper bags and sing that song. Maybe you want to use your stuffy. Here's my penguin. He's got two eyes. He's got a beak instead of a nose. And he's got two flippers I could sing about. So that's one fun activity. Another one is a teddy bear puzzle, tea party puzzle. All of the pieces are inside, and you'll just need your glue stick for this also. So you're going to make it on this mat, and all the pieces are cut out for you. So after you put it together on this paper, you get to color it and hang it up to remind you of our tea party. I colored my teddy bear brown, but there's flowers and a teacup, a couple teacups. You can make it any color you want. There's also, it's called a Stuffy Buddy information sheet for you to always remember our tea party that we had. Write your Stuffy's name. My guy's name is Mr. P. And how tall is he? You might have to get your measuring stick out, your ruler, and measure him. Mr. P is 10 inches. And it says, when did he come to live with you? Well, I got mine from a summer festival a few years ago. And what does he like to do? He likes to sing and dance and watch TV. What does your tea party Stuffy like to do? So it's something nice that you can fill in with your grown-up and keep to have you remember who you brought to your tea party. And the last activity that we have is going to be making a placemat. You're going to get a piece of paper that already has the cuts in it, And then you're going to get some of the strips you'll need to weave in and out to make your placemat. And you'll only need some glue for this. So you glue one piece on the top and then make it go down and over and down and over and glue it towards the bottom. And you do the opposite with the next one. You glue it on the back and then you go over and under, over and under. So you have 4 pieces. And I made a placemat that I can have my tea party on. Some of the other things that I added besides the book list were some songs to do. You could do teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Teddy bear, reach up high. Teddy bear, wink one eye. Teddy bear, pat your knees. Teddy bear, sit down please. And the final songs that I left for you go with my felt board. It's called 5 Little Bears Counting Up and Counting Down. One little bear wondering what to do. Along came another. And now we have 2. You could use your stuffed animals for this. 2 little bears climbing up a tree. Along came another. Now there are 3. 3 little bears ate an apple core. Along came another. And now there are 4. 4 little honey bears found honey in a hive. Along came another. And now there are 5. 5 little bears heard a loud roar. One ran away. Now we have 4. 4 little bears climbing up a tree. One slid down. Whee! Now there are only 3. 3 little bears deciding what to do. One fell asleep. Now there are 2. 2 little bears having lots of fun. One went on home. Now there's only 1. 1 little bear feeling all alone. He ran to his mother. Now there are none. So enjoy your tea party picnic with whatever stuffy animal that you bring and have fun doing our activities. Enjoy the rest of your summer. Bye.